Gwaan ENT.
Sure. But the man come to Sir Coxsone. Oh, let's back up the sound now, you know. Back it up, man. Fire. Coxsone kill you again, man. You just take some boy. Rocket Cross, take it. Yuga, 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 young, young, young. Yuga, 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 young.
Dennis Brown.
Yuga, 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 young, young, young. Yuga, 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 young. And you hear me going away.
Yes, I am.
Little son boy, back up by saying, gotta remember the 1st of September, trying to take the harvest. And Sir Coxsone's got it, putting it in his pocket. Yeah, Sir Coxsone's got it, putting it in his pocket. No, oh, 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 Lord, oh, yeah. For me now, yeah. I said, oh, man, Beaver, play the song for me now. Play it on for me. Ooh, yeah. Yogi, 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 young, young. Yogi, 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 young. Yogi, 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 young, young. Yogi, 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 yogi.
They call empty barrel make the most nice. Here Dennis Brown, you see me? Squeeze.
You just did some boy. You just did some boy. When I go take taxi, I pull. Step up the runners all over the grass again, man. That's what kill something. Ooh, yeah. Seeing blind, giving dead.
Different song for the same rhythm.
Gotta know where you're coming from. See my roots, yes. Eat my food, yeah. I don't know where I'm bound. Babe said we're moving on now. Don't try to stop me now. Said we're moving on now. Yes, don't try to stop me, no, no, no. Yeah, see the train is coming on down the line.
Dennis,
By the
Emmanuel.
time, yes, I'm a doing fine.
Dennis.
Yeah. Festus knows it. Yes, Festus he shows it. In the end, the true lady knows it. Oh.
Me warm up for the man there. More Dennis Brown, you see me?
This one can only be played by Sir Coxsone, man. And it's all played, this one and them dead. Thank you, Judge Rogers, all rugged grass, man. I will Coxsone kill something. Yeah, now. Oh, well, look at it. Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Coxsone knows it, and he shows it, yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, knows it. That's how we know it, yeah. Ooh,
Dennis.
oh, 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 oh.
Emmanuel Brown.
Look.
More Dennis Brown. For the one Dennis Brown till it done and just saying I'm going to play Dennis Brown special whole night because I'm full of Dave Brown. You see me?
Me I tell you, when me hear about Sir Coxsone Outernational music, me know some big sound. Me not talk about no little fool sound, you know. When me about all them selected Kevin G, Anthony G, you know, see that G and the two man them name, a killer them, you know. Murderer them is. Kappa, my God, Kappa. You're the name of the man of Kappa. That means to say any sound test dead. Duffus, Lord, I don't have symmetry in Gwaan with them like how them do with Rufus. Festus, the real big man, the war selector. Because all MTV crown him Lords of Lords and war. I'm wanna big up the little Maga boy from Tivalino. Yeah man, the same one from down at Jamaica there. Bad selector, you know. And right now in the on the big sound, Outernational music with Sir Coxsone from England. Big up, big up.
Remember the time.
You are Gwaan.
Sir Coxsone, come again. Take it. If a little fish would keep his mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught.
Listen.
Would I never get caught?
Listen, D. Brown.
If a little fish would keep his mouth shut, yeah, he wouldn't get caught. No, he would I never get caught. Yeah.
You see Dennis Brown? Dennis Brown was my dub cutter. You see me? So who no know now? Dennis was my dub cutter.
When you hear about Sir Coxsone Outernational music, we know some big sound.
Coxsone.
Me not talk about no little fool sound, you know. When me hear about all them selected Kevin G, Anthony G, you know, see that G and the two man them name, a killer them, you know. Murderer them is. Kappa, my God, Kappa. You're the name of the man of Kappa. That means to say any sound test dead. Duffus, Lord, I don't have symmetry in Gwaan with them like how them do with Rufus. Festus, the real big man, the war selector. Because all MTV crown him Lords of Lords and war. I'm wanna big up the little Maga boy from Tivalino. Yeah man, the same one from down at Jamaica
yes,
there. Bad selector, you know. And right now in the on the big sound, Outernational music with Sir Coxsone from England. Big up, big up.
Remember the time and the place, you know. Sir Coxsone, come again. Take it. If a little fish would keep his mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught. No, he would never get caught.
You are Gwaan.
No. If a little fish would keep his mouth shut, yeah, he wouldn't get caught. No, he would never get caught. Yeah. Now you wanna come and taste Sir Coxsone. No, no, you can't win. No. Take up your boxes. Yes, they're taking up too much space.
No, make I get money there now.
Sir Coxsone rule about town and country.
Yeah.
Well, if a little fish would keep his mouth shut, no, he wouldn't get caught. No, he would never get caught. No. If a little fish would keep his mouth shut, he wouldn't get caught.
Have you
no, he
ever?
would never get caught. Yeah. Man to man.
Yeah, boy.
Hey boy, you see like how a long time you have up and down. It's like how you to one place tonight, I go and bust out a bit of God. Come on, diamonds, come kill some.
I wanna tell you something. It's no joke. It's true now. A live sound is an abomination.
So shout the mighty diamonds.
Oh yes. A wise sound playing music for all his fans in the land.
Big up Father Randy.
That sound I feel backward and go down there, go all them corner. Oh yeah. Coxsone sound is the number one sound. You rule the town. No dippy sound cannot test. Cause Coxsone is the number one sound. He rules the area. Whether you're living in the country, he played Dubplates for you. He'll make you feel so nice all night long. The media sound just can't test it. He might have to go down there, go hold him corner. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Coxsone sound, boy. Coxsone sound, he rule the area. He rule London town, Birmingham, Bristol and Manchester. He is the talk of the town. He's the original sound. And if you know that dibby sound, back way, he's the number one sound.
Thank
and
God.
if you know that.
Sounds from the mighty.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the main event of the evening. Let's get it on. In all the other corners, there's some little flanky idiot sound. But in this corner, the A1 champion sound the world, the mighty Coxsone sound. You can't touch Coxsone. Sound boy, you can't touch Coxsone.
One from the ass one.
No way, you can't touch Coxsone. Sound boy, you can't touch Coxsone.
Ass one.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the main event of the evening. Let's get it on. In all the other corners, there's some little flanky idiot sound. But in this corner, the A1 champion sound the world, the mighty Coxsone sound. You can't touch Coxsone. Sound boy, you can't touch Coxsone. No way, you can't touch Coxsone. Sound boy, you can't touch Coxsone. See,
Ass one.
lots of sounds in the game. All of them wanna be the champ.
CM side come. You know, I'm not trouble it. I saw them cut it, send come give me. So, run it. Yeah.
Hey boy, you see like how a long time you run up and down. It's like how you take one place tonight, I go and bust out a bit of God. Come on, diamonds, come kill some.
I wanna tell you something.
You are going, yeah, man.
All the clean out people are back tax, now the man read them Bible 24/7, watch a black and judge, watch a clean up Bible and post them face, man. Have mercy, watch me gap, watch me London people, and enough things that go on Birmingham, and around all in the come from, man. Let me say, have mercy.
Yes, I am.
All the clean out people are back tax, now the man read them Bible 24/7, watch a black and judge, watch a clean up Bible and post them face, man. Have mercy, watch me gap, watch me London people, and enough things that go on Birmingham, and around all in the come from, man. Let me say, have mercy. Yeah, some sound say them a dope. Some sound boys say them a dance, Coxsone a profit. Tell them the son of Abraham, them say them a dope. Some sound say them a dance, Coxsone a profit. Tell them the son of Abraham, we inspired by God and not by man. We elected and permitted to teach the nation. The Bible is fulfilling, on we understand. Say from Genesis down to Revelation, so shall it be in the end. Likewise began, on the strong shall survive. On we understand, well not a chance. The weak don't stand, uncle they make. Shall liberate the land, them say them a do. Some sound boys say them a dance, Coxsone a profit. Tell them the son of Abraham, them say them a dope. Some sound say them a dance, Coxsone a profit. You Coxsone look when the man tell them say, Red, black and green are the color of the land that was elected by Marcus State and no red. That a one blood for every man. Black, I for the black population. Green, I for Africa, the motherland. Africa we from, and a day we belong. Them can't live cock straight in the repatriation. Them so them a dope. Some sound boys say them a done, but we a profit. You can't see look what them a tell them say them a walk out and I run up them mouth. One Dubplate I go use and get a sound boy out. Them a walk out and I run up them mouth. One Dubplate you look what them a tell them say again, rude boy. Me say the healing of the nation when you say at the herb. Your heart have it clean, that mean your heart is purge. The
original Coxsone featuring Link and the related Sugar Mine at Ed.
Yeah, it's the original selector Festus and them can't test it down here the best. Sound boy. Can't cross the border. Coxsone of them on the order. Alright, sound boy.
Sugar.
See them can't cross the border. See Coxsone sound of them on the order. Sound boy, they can't cross the border. Coxsone sound the order.
Everything on the order.
Order, cause them can't cross the border. The border, say we have them on the order. Order, cause them can't cross the border. The border, hey, aya, Coxsone, you big boat, yeah. Aya, Festus, you rule boat, yeah. Me say from England to jam down, you big boat, yeah. And then from Canada to USA, you big boat, yeah. Me see them can't cross the border. Coxsone, have them on the order. Sound boy, them can't cross the border. Me say we have them on the order. We have them on the order. Order, cause them can't cross the border. The border, Coxsone have them on the order. Order, cause them can't cross the border. The border, hey, enough sound come and then them want fi conquer. Them ask the question, Coxsone have the answer.
Every time of the answer. One more and then radio go come in.
X equal X, me no jump and sound can't take the seed. Sir Coxsone is the best, ruling the east, west, north, south and west. Yeah, you me start to the top on a bad boy sound and me a tell you sound boy. You could have go to the police, soldier, minister, liar, anything. Harder you Coxsone sound boy, prepare for blood run, cause you got dead tonight and I dance. Terror for blood.
Right up and sound boy just murder. Yeah, you know, Coxsone boy makes some out of gunshot between the piece of the med back. Now yourself Captain Barkley, big cranking out that in that you know him mackerel. And it's cool, watch this. Out to the bottom of the dirt and watch out. Who's it? We turn it harder. Oh, look at the ampudo. Come on, sound touch nobody with TPF, blood run. No harder. Oh, look at the ampudo. Sadness nobody with TPF, blood. The greatest thing we on over carry sound that now go work. Top road a war with 110 man down a per change your dirty life put on your dub and repent. No take no boots in island argument. Sad man can't go jump. Free him dead. Jungle man can't go gado. Man they shoot and people in a the dance hall. I sound dead. No get panty though. One heap a run the red. Some wanted by Coxsone and somebody they said sound a run up and down. Them can't sleep in a them bed.
After this one, ready.
From a sound touch you know what be with PPF blood run. Harder. Oh no Coxsone and put down. But this know what be with PPF blood. Now fat get them a stuff in that and them lend it to Fred. Fred go grab a big shop and now Fred then me pass him mama down the road with her and pan her head a beg. Sir Coxsone money fi go bury your dead. If I never had him, son boy you who no dead. Bend the tree from me down that away Sir Coxsone said yo. Ada, oh no Coxsone and pudo. From a sound touch you know what be with PPF blood run no. Ada, oh no Coxsone and pudo. Sadness nobody with PPF blood. And what if them there in a day dance? I say if me didn't know, but the kind of late know them gone and road. This is not a movie, this is not a show. Show the sound boy killing, now for them gone below. Ada, oh no Coxsone and pudo. From a sound touch nobody PPF blood run no.
Audio check 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome along. My name is David Rodigan. You've just been listening to Festus from Coxsone Sound. It's the early bounce. We regret to announce, of course, that unfortunately, due to circumstances beyond our control, our special guest for the night, Jack Scorpio of Black Scorpio Sound from Jamaica, is unable to grace us with his presence. But we will continue with the tunes, the dubs, the vintage, and the tunes that you love. So, we're going to do half hour.
Gwaan ENT.
Saxon in the building, Rodigan and Sir Coxsone. 1:15 to 1:45, David Rodigan, then Saxon and Coxsone. Bob Andy and Marcia.
My name is Bob Andy and they say I am a legend. Right now I choose to turn the spotlight on David Rodigan, feeling his soul. Where's the Marcia?
Rodigan, you run things every time Marcia Griffith said that. The champion sound will run all town. Boom! Let it go, selector David. One in the world. Up and down.
Special.
No song boy can't draw the one in the bob.
No.
To be true to one another.
How you mean?
To be kind and gentle to each other.
Bob and Marcia.
To give your best when it's asked of you.
Hey!
Do what you got to do when you're supposed to.
You got to feel it.
You've got to feel the soul down inside of you.
We're coming, Marcia.
They gotta feel it, you know.
Hey!
If you're to feel it, you've got to be clean.
Hey!
You've got to make it straight, you can't believe.
Whoa!
To share the joys Rodigan's gonna bring.
Hey!
To the true soul, you just have to cling, and then you can feel it. Ooh, you got to feel the soul down inside of me.
Someone feel it.
Hey!
Say someone feel it.
Hey!
Someone feel it. Hear the Dubplate playing. Rodigan's playing. Someone praying. Someone feel it.
Dubplate's playing.
Big youth for the mighty Rodigan.
Hey.
You know, like Waterhouse, Matches Lane, Tower Hill. And don't you ride like lightning? Sound boy, if you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. So coming down along the song will lead the wings out. Yeah. Son of Colorado Rodigan as I would say. What up, baby? Don't you people.
Hey!
I keep on hearing who let us say keep on saying.
Big youth.
And if you talk like that,
Hey!
said if you say so.
And if you talk like that,
Got to give me cha Rodigan, cha Mr. Rodigan, cha
Festus. Big up Saxon.
No idiot song can test the mighty.
Whoa.
Down and come to test we in a desert.
A night of big tunes and dubs.
Whoa.
Hey!
Goodness gracious, good gosh. Rodigan, as I would say, you got to leave it up along the way. And I don't wanna David Rodigan who does the greater Rodigan. You know, like back in the days from Waterhouse and Trenchtown and Greenwich Town and Roundtown, Uptown and Now jump and sound can never come and try to test the mighty Rodigan is out say. Try to kill them out of east, try to kill them out of west. Kill them on the north, already kill them all the south. Kill them all around, Rodigan, kill them all about them. David Rodigan.
Bless David Rodigan. This is Rodigan. We kill a dump and sound, we kill a dump and round.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about the big tunes, the big dubs, the classic vocals, and DJ styling. Remember this?
Yeah, this is Tussen the Mater saying, big up the big bad sound, David Rodigan. Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Good boy, have you run when David Rodigan play.
Hey!
Can't take this case.
Hey!
David Rodigan play. Some boy can't find a way.
Whoa!
I say when David Rodigan play, they cries out of tight up. Everything is out of sight. It's so hard. They cries out tight up. Some boy sound like catch a fire. You should not test David Rodigan. You should not test the number one sound today. You should not test David Rodigan. He's born everything my sound. You hear me say? I say, time up when David Rodigan in the dancehall. Yeah, time up for some boy.
John Holt in the place to be. You know, say we don't talk about music with a potato in our mouth. Rodigan sound, champion sound. Yeah. Roddy, look at the face of the clock on the wall, but it doesn't tell you nothing at all. Please come back to me, baby.
Hey!
Need you, my baby. Oh,
Yo!
yeah. Radical number one sound. Roddy wanna cry his eyes out, want his baby back to him, but nothing but time to sit out. But time means nothing to him. Please be near him. Please come back real soon. 'Cause the clock in Roddy is so lonely in this room. So lonely in this room. Oh, well.
If you love music like I love music,
Now little sound boy over there, all night long rather gonna listen here up your mouth. Well, this is Johnny Clark, and tonight we'll put a padlock on your mouth. Your mouth can't save you, know. I won't
Change your ways, no one will listen to you when you want to play.
back in the day, the greatest pleasure for me was to go to a dance early. Because when Festus and Coxsone would string up the sound and make those tweeters pipe, and you'd hear the early dubs, when you go to listen to Josh Shaka, and you know when you listen to Josh Shaka, you're going to get a bag of 10 versions of one rhythm. In fact, this dub is dedicated to the style of Josh Shaka, because I remember one morning at John Hassell's studio in Barnes, and I personally watched Shaka cut 8 versions of this rhythm alone. I've only got one, Johnny Clark.
saying, yeah man, rough man, every time. Right on.
Hey! London! Give me some system for all the original sound system pioneers. Give me some signal.
You play so
Hey!
just to make us satisfied.
Somebody say pull up.
Saying, yeah man, rough man.
He's a muscle head.
Right on.
Love in the building. Trevor Sax, mini muscle. Yo. Festus, sing.
You play a song, just to make us satisfied,
Johnny.
But no matter what,
Papa Face,
we are still unsatisfied. Though you've tried your very best just to make us understand. Rodigan is hunting you, and you know he has a plan. You better ride on, sandboy. You better move on, sandboy. Another game you played that was not very smart. You would go behind his back and scandal his name, but that is not a proper thing for you to do to Rodigan.
You better ride on. If you love Freddie McGregor, then you must know that Freddie's early work at Studio One was surely his greatest work. Remember this?
Now my name is Freddie McGregor, and this one goes out exclusively for Mr. David Rodigan and all the massive niceness. Oh na 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 na, yeah.
Give me some signal for Freddie McGregor.
Hear me now, massive. Rodigan, put your trust in the Son of the Most. Now my name is Freddie McGregor, and this one goes out exclusively for Mr. David Rodigan and all the massive niceness.
10 minutes away from Saxon.
Nah, yeah.
London.
Oh, well.
Real reggae.
Now massive. Rodigan, put your trust in the Son of the Most High, my selector. That he shall be
like Mount Zion.
Keep away from all them heathen music. For those will only push us down in multitude of sinners. My brethren, don't eat the bread of wickedness. Oh Lord, stay away from the wine of violence. Won't eat the bread of wickedness. Oh well, all we do is play the finest reggae music, yeah. Let not mercy and truth forsake you now.
Amen.
Let us bind them about thy neck, write them upon the tables of thine heart.
The Psalms of Solomon.
Oh, that could
the Proverbs.
Continue to play on your turntable.
The Proverbs of King Solomon.
Hey now, put your trust in the Son of the Most High, everyone.
Freddie.
Yeah. Oh well. Put your trust in the Son of the Most High, that he shall be like Mount Zion. Put your trust in the Son of the Most High.
Hey.
For just like the rain that falls from the sky, my love for you will never
die. We'll never die. Salute to Ernest Wilson, Freddie McGregor, a thing called a wine of violence. Ladies and gentlemen, no introduction necessary.
Hear this! You're in tune to the champion. You're in tune to David Rodigan. Hope you understand. This is Alton saying, They say when Rodigan is playing, a song will cry eternally.
Whoa!
Cry on with your tin and sound. Rodigan is the
one that ruled this town. No other sound can come test. David Rodigan is the best. Not to test, don't test. So everywhere at your timpan sound, Rodigan will show you down. Your speaker, there is nowhere to be found. Your amplifier, there is so much on fire.
Alton! Now many did try but could not test Rodigan sound. No. Many did try but Rodigan just blew them down. Yo. Exclusively for Rodigan himself. Play Rodigan when you play. Hit Burris! Yeah. Now many did try but could not test Rodigan sound. Burris! No. Many did try but Rodigan just blew them down. Hey! Yo. Some little idiot went to the bank, withdraw all his money. Thinking that's what it takes to take the Rodigan crown. But Rodigan just played dubs, have the whole dance so jumping. Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining. Rodigan just played dubs, have the whole dance so jumping. Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining. Whoa, Rodigan, will you play some more? Will you play? Everybody knows that Rodigan plays the please everybody sing. And even the ladies out there, here it is, he's got your back. Y'all now, they did try but could not steal my honey, no. They did try but couldn't get enough, no. Some a fool did try to trick her with his money, yeah. Turn around and wonder what she is made of, and she just loved this groovy little thing we got going. It will last as long as the road's so beating. Yeah. Woman just love this groovy little thing we got going. It will last as long as the road's so beating.
Ladies and gentlemen, a celebration of sound system culture tonight. Big tunes and big dubs from back in the day, and also the latest dubs later on. Right now, this is one of my all-time favorite rhythms. I can't tell you how much I love this rhythm. So when I was able to finally access it, due to the fact that Bob's no longer with us and Peter's no longer with us, I said, Johnny Osborne, please sing it like it could have been sung if Bob was here. Hear this.
Roddy gonna kill them now. Roddy gonna kill some.
Give me some signal for Johnny Osborne.
Roddy gonna kill some boy right now. Life is for men to live. Let man live life.
Festus.
Bread is for men to eat. Let man eat bread. Son boy payaka,
hey,
go down payaka easy. Son boy payaka, go down payaka easy.
Johnny,
Roddy gonna kill your sound.
Osborne,
Roddy gonna kill you now. Come on, we go reason now. Come, we go reason now. Come, we go reason now. Come, we go reason now. How are the youths we are go have no day? Walla. When you know, say, we no want it. While Rodigan, I killed some boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2 years ago in California, I had the privilege of seeing the reformed and reunited Soul Syndicate Band. If you love reggae like I love reggae, you know Soul Syndicate Band was one of the baddest, toughest bands ever in the history of Jamaican music. And in the 70s, they built some of the wickedest rhythms. Virtually all the big tunes that came out of Jamaica was the Soul Syndicate Band. Fullwood and Tony Chin and the rest of the crew. Well, they built this rhythm, and Dennis Brown sung the rhythm, and King Tubby dubbed the rhythm. And a few years ago, when the Junior Gang, I said, you know what? I have an idea. And this is what we did. This is what we did. We brought the dub up to speed, as though King Tubby was still here, as though the original Dennis Brown was still here. This is
from jungle to Rima, Rodigan play from Tivoli to Matthews.
Signal.
From Waterhouse to Jerusalem, from Painland to Delacroix.
Stephen Marley Jr. The voice of Dennis Brown. The dub master King Tubby. London, if you know music, you be joining here.
Africa, we want to go.
Hey. Junior Gang.
Say Rodigan don't have a plan. Fi bust up the black man. I murder any son.
Somebody say.
Yeah. From jungle to Rima, Rodigan play. From Tivoli to Matthews.
Pepper. From Kingston to Wembley.
From Painland to Delacroix.
Big up Saxon. Trevor Sax, Muscle. Festus Coxsone. Blacker. Deep's Face. RS Digital.
Pepper. Africa, we want to go.
London, if you know music, give me some singing.
We can don't have a plan. Fi bust up the black bomb. I murder any son in the Yamagidi. Some little son we understand. Rodigan a number. I must set the trend and sound a fall a tradi. And then Rodigan tell you fi read. Well I wear some sound a free. Can knowledge a the key and it we set select as free. And David philosophy is just love and unity.
And Rodigan's philosophy is just love and unity. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, if a man steps on your shoes, you have to buy him a Heineken. Because love rules in here tonight. There's no arms house, there's no disrespect, because traditionally, this is how we used to do it. We played together as brothers and sisters that love the music. So with all due respect to Festus and the Coxsone team, Blacker and the crew, it's time to hand you over for the next 30 minutes to the mighty, original Saxon Studio International. Muscle it. Travis,
me up. And not turn me too loud to put some bass on my mic there. Put some bass there, we engineer there. Put some bass on it, make it sound rough. Put some bass on it, make it sound heavy. Put some bass on it, make it sound round like pound. I don't know when I come around, and when I come around town, it's Saxon, turn it down. All you have to do is this, put some bass on it, turn it down, because for my voice, run with the music. I don't run over the music, I run with the music. So big respect to everybody come a Silver Spoon tonight, as Mr. Rodigan said. With deepest apologies for Jack Scorpio, you know, the visa thing, I kill people. Big up Blacker Dread. Go and big up Bikey, me know you work hard. From where they gone, me take one little holiday. Me see them a throw a stone after the lion while the lion asleep and I take advantage. Remember me telling you this, the lion is doing a Saxon sound and me there. I may never sell out and leave my sound. I say anytime you don't see me around my sound, you won't see me around the next man's sound. You saw see me run the next man thing, because this is a fluey thing. You saw me say, we're loyal and we're royal. So right about now, big respect to all the people in my business and people that come to Dancehall. Remember Trevor Sax tell you, 2012, me and Muslim have a plan. We are going to work it, make you know what Gwaan, because before I go any further, everybody see the champion sound and want to take the calf time while the lion is sleeping. And I'm telling you, from 1994 till now, I don't see no man win the UK Cup. That means that if anything me set as Saxon, me set it, select it, and check it. So right about now tonight is total nice. Big up Sir Rodigan, big up Festus, big up the Coxsone family, big up all my sound syndicate. Me said this speech about 12 months ago. Me no there England for challenge no sound again. Me have my space in the history. Me have my space put down, my CV right, set and connect. Me I take on the foreign people. Fix my mic there. Me I take on the foreign people, them who feel them coming out the business and never own a sound system yet. Some of them never cut a dubplate in them life yet and feel so I saw the thing set. Well, Trevor Sachs, before you're dead, my boy, me I tell you, Muslim, we're going to take it to the world. So in the meantime, between time, we're done with this speech. Fix my mic there. I don't know what going around this up. I don't know what the engineer there with the microphone, but don't tell you. Don't put too much high tops on it. Just leave it like that. I rather than Saxon there, I know authority is hard.
Yeah, man, I'm for know the big sound, Saxon sound, and I say mini muscle, we I say, yo. Big up to muscle and the whole family, we say John Pickups, and I say, Mikey Boops, I don't know, family for life, youth. But the bye. The big sound, Saxon, yeah.
Big sound, I play.
To them, I don't know this for Saxon. Can't go round this, you're killing tonight. Can't go round it, them just can't go round it. Can't escape this, you're killing tonight. Round it, them just.
Your voice machine.
Sound reach dance and the fool, them a chat. Bout a Saxon, them a clash. One dub we draw and the whole place flat cousin. Muscle let no take back no chat. And when that is over, we're gonna move them to the burial spot where we can rock away to some good berry sound.
Warm the machine, a silver spoon.
Where we
give me the come on, give me the come on, Mike.
Around this, you're killing tonight. Can't go around it, you just can't go around it. Can't escape this, you're killing tonight. Can't go around it, you just can't go around it. Muscle ladies crazy. Mighty Boops is rude. That's the kind of sound that we are. That's the kind of sound that we are. Forgive me if we sound too bossy. Saxon sound is mad. That's the kind of sound that we are. That's the kind of sound that we are. Can't go around this, you're killing tonight. Can't go around it, you just can't go around it. Can't escape this, you're killing tonight. Can't escape it, you just can't go around it. Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
It's a big respect to people.
England massive, you get me, you say it. Mini muscle, dilly. Atarius Riley, me never silly. That don't be a freestyle, but it worth about a million or a mil.
Let me warm my machine up.
From sound boy this, Saxon them a forget dismiss. Muscle them dip and we hit less. Them fi no say we no shoot and miss. No, hey, from sound boy this Saxon them get dismissed. Hey, muscle let them have him on the hit list. Hey, and by the flick of the wrist, we kill them. Cause we are Saxon sound, no clone. We have the title and crown.
Where's the yes, right?
Hey man, a Saxon sound, a real sound. And I told never Roxton sound.
Why?
No, and we are kill them. And the boy this we just a murder them.
Yo, me say welcome to Silver Spoon. We're there alive and direct where they
the world can play this one, it's exclusive for Saxon sound. Big up muscle.
Let me warm my thing, you know.
Mikey Boops, England massive, you get me, you say it. Mini muscle, dilly. Atarius Riley.
So me say it.
That don't be
watch your vibration now. You think me start here?
From sound boy this Saxon them a forget dismiss. Muscle let them dip and we hit less. Them fi no say we no shoot and miss. No, hey, from sound boy this Saxon them get dismissed. He must let them have him on the hit list. Hey, and by the flick of the wrist we kill them. Cause we are
Saxon sound, no clone. We have the title and crown. Yes, sir. Hey, man, a Saxon sound, a real sound.
You're the sound around the world.
Sound. No, no.
Tommy sing it. Wave with me, tell you, baby, Saxon every. Rubber dub style, so me win it.
And the voice of Taurus, Riley, and I chill them. Yeah, so make a sound, why not? Come in at the dance, well prepared, can we not give you no chance? Saxon sound in a different class, burn them out to us.
Saxon on the boss.
And them for no, we not take talk. Muscle let them murder sound after dark. Watch out now, son, where you are, Bashak. Saxon, a number one in the chart, I'm gonna kill them musically, yeah, man I kill them musically, hey, man I kill them musically, hey, with me kill this split from me Cali, hey.
Yo, Taurus Riley!
I give thanks for the day, there's no need to complain. I get Saxon sound play, and then the boy this, you know I'm
run way.
Offices, it's up on the knees on the feet, and give it.
Pull up and come again, Mr. Warm the machine. Second time around the voice of Taurus Riley.
Representing once again for Saxon sound out of the world, let's see it. Muscle, let's see us, my brother.
You know long me not come around the machine.
Some in the muscle, dilly, yeah.
Papa.
I really wanna tell you.
Papa.
Yeah.
Pop. Please again.
I give thanks for the day. There's no need to complain. Love your Saxon sound play. And then the boy this, you know I'm murder offices. Hey, trample the beast on the feet to the eye, give it. Saxon sound never get defeat. Can't protect the foot, them can't compete. No, it's all about Saxon sound.
Silver spoon.
It's the pattern, hey.
Wait till we raise the bar.
Down, yes, hey, what we see, hey, kill we come for kill sound boy tonight. And I make them know some mini muscle not afraid. Hey, dirty sound boy, better your beard. Hey, class, it's all about Saxon sound. I teach we come for teach sound boy. And I beat them and I run them out of town, yeah. It's all about Saxon sound. I beat we come for beat sound boy. Hey, we take with them girl and
yo, Taurus Riley, tell us. You know it's a bad man song that's done.
Hey, Saxon sound a bonfire upon a day dance. Nothing with foreign and nothing with feathers. Man a move like tailpipe and way back.
Why?
We don't get to knock together.
Turn it up again.
Sound a bonfire upon a day dance. Nothing with foreign and nothing with feathers. Man a move like tailpipe and way back.
Saxon,
we don't get to knock together. I spin and goal in a me pot. I speak with that Saxon a yacht. Get the fire stick and miss down. Got the rats go burn a fire upon a meat and a bone. Red, right I know me bone all bone sucker. We go against Toki and Donga King Boga. Look at you yard, you little fast food low.
Chummy some vegetable now.
And you party and see my goals. Saxon bonfire upon a day dance. Nothing with foreign and nothing with fed. Man I move like tailpipe and weapons. Who do get to knock together? The high power sound, a bonfire upon a day dance. Nothing with foreign and nothing with feathers. Man I move like
yo, go and be a father key today.
Oh yes.
So
Nazarene, man I feel live clean. Do I no beef, no mutton and no sardine. Give me items too, and me broad beef.
Oh, I mean Bushman, me say everything I tell. The man them still don't set up my microphone yet. And it coming like it's bouncing back and a summy work. But in the meantime, between time, give thanks and praise with them track one reaching out to all the family in a building right now. Mr. A party tonight. Big up Mr. Rodigan, keeping reggae music all over the world. A Saxon this, you don't know. Trevor Sax on the machine. Big up all the ladies in our building. Mr. A party tonight in style. So in the meantime, my main thanks to my friend now.
Yeah, once again, I'd love to say much respect to the Saxon sound.
Early bones.
The Mini Muscle and Musclehead and Mikey Boops. Yeah, for all of those connected closely. Yeah, hear this.
Oh, now I can't.
Vice to embarrass a man. I mean, Saxon, so we start something.
Can't just. Every time I think of saying goodbye, one more.
Me said no sound in the world play Dubplate like Saxon. Remember me tell you. Me said today, for the first time in about 5 years, me go look in a musclehead music room and boy, me confused. Sometimes when you hear me play some tune and he might play tune all kind of way, to him have too much.
Minnie the Muscle and Musclehead. And for all the dancehall crew, yeah.
Whoa, what a night, yes. What a night tonight, yeah.
Introduction!
Now I feel good. Saxon a killer sound. I need to turn the place upside down. Feel good. Feel good. I feel good. This is selector run up and down. As if can't play another round. Yeah. Feel good. Chop them with Dubplate. Chop them under them skin. Right now them want them test. No them can't win. Right now must let come rule up this
to play him hard.
Lay up your back.
That's where the ladies are silver spoon. Right with the Thomas and tired.
I make them wine some more and show me that love. Unconditionally. Make believe we are
This is the song for the world.
Saxon make we
Tommy said,
the problems and leave them behind. Don't let it show.
Tommy said,
kill Saxon, kill Saxon, kill yes. Saxon a killer sound. I need to turn the place upside down. Feel good. Say I feel good. When me see selector run up and down, 'cause I'm can't play another round.
Oh, Saxon, tell them again. Saxon, tell them again. If you just arriving inside Silver Spoon, we say we're not done till morning, embarrass a man. Right again, we say I play tonight.
Musclehead and the smaller muscle.
I hear Mr. Rodigan
Mini
play.
Muscle.
Rodigan here by piece now.
Mikey
I'm
Boots.
the original Saxon.
And all the rest of the crew. Hear this.
Enough love. You don't know Mr. Rodigan.
Oh, whoa, no. Hey, rap Saxon sound.
I don't know that from the mic song, so I'm working.
Play, night lessons. Made it try, but could not test. Saxon sound, no. Made it try, but Saxon just chop them down. One by one.
You know, Sir Rodigan and Saxon
went to the bank. Withdraw his money, says. Thinking that's what it takes to take Saxon crown. No, Saxon just play dubs of the old and soldier thing. Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining. Yes, Saxon, you play dubs of the old and soldier thing. Rock it from now. The dance will start here. Sun comes shining.
Original song.
Yeah. Saxon, will you play some more? Play some more. You make me remember.
Over there, surround this song.
Made it try, but could not steal my honey.
Maybe no.
Made it try, but couldn't get.
If it just arrived in Silver Spoon, get the juice at the bar.
Some fool they try to treat her. Well, it's my knees, yeah. Turn around and wonder what she's made of. She just loved the groovy little thing we got going.
Wait there. See that.
Muscle Head and Mini Muscle and Mikey Boops. Oops. I wanna say thank you to the Saxon Sound for every dub you play. Wanna say thank you to the Musclehead for leading all the way. Now Saxon Sound, life of the dance, you give it all it takes. Wanna say thank you for not giving them a break. Saxon bad for true. Yeah, you done all the money, make them sell off all their car. What am I gonna do? Doesn't matter who you are. One more dub will do, yeah. And it has nothing to do with where you're from or the color of your skin. Yeah. They don't know say Saxon I go win.
Okay.
I wanna say thank you.
Yo, the mic set now, right? Leave it like that, like that, like that.
Say thank you, yes. No. Now who's the sound with the breath?
Fight so I'm someone saying thank you.
Yeah. Now what's the sound with the wickedest Dubplate Saxon? Oh God. Now it's sound, tell me, can around the world say Saxon? And when you
someone rubber dog.
No moves out, say Saxon.
So in the meantime, between time, the first segment, and I still a bounce the vice to the man called Barry Saman. Reaching out to every inside Silver Spoon right about now. Me send enough respect and love and
Saxon! And the wickedest sound in the whole wide world. No sound can taste, you hear me? Big up muscle, Trevor Sax, I'm in the muscle. Birmingham, Brixton, you hear me? All over England, Bersaman, step cross.
Ooh, Saxon sound, a trouble, a pure trouble. Lava, hey.
Yeah, feature!
What's that you play? I know you oppose. Saxon waiting to explode. Watch your step and where you push your toes. Saxon needs a heavy load. Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never play blind. Among the sound we kill is more than 99. Your idiot sound might be next in line.
Bersaman, see you. Saxon sound.
Another sound boy.
We're selling to one and take it to the world.
Now you know what killing is all about. Hey, sound boy, stop right now. All the sounds take different avenues. Hold your root, forget about the branch. You always wanna be the center of the crowd. Laba, talking out aloud. Even the innocent sound will have to bawl when Saxon flinging dub in a dancehall now. Murder, now another sound boy balling out. Murder, still gaining certain now. Murder, another sound boy balling out. Murder.
Vice no Bersaman, Saxon sound. Big respect to the animal. Turn out in a dance hall right now. You know, it's a blessed love. Jack Scorpio couldn't be here tonight, but Coxsone is in his place alongside Father Rodigan. You know what? Bersaman, continue. Continue, Bersaman.
This standard singer.
Give yourself a break, sound boy. You're on the Saxon's order now. Hey, sound boy, you shiver. Saxon knock you down and out. You shouldn't come to sound clash. You don't know what it's all about. You might think that it's the food, but it's Saxon coughing you. You feel a shiver when you wake. Then you know you made a big mistake.
Why me muscle?
Sound boy, you shiver is moving up your spine, and your little title is hanging on the line. You'll never know what's hitting you. Confused, don't know what to do. It's just the dubs that Saxon play. Sound boy, leave and come another day. Ooh, na. You're on the Saxon's order. And the remedy is good dub now. Ooh, na. Ooh, na. Saxon forever. Saxon forever and ever and ever. I know. Sound Saxon knock you down and out. You shouldn't come to Sound Clash. You don't know what it's all about. You might think that it's the flu, but it's Saxon goofing you. You feel a shiver when you wake, then you know you made a big mistake. Sound boy, you shiver. I'm moving up your spine. Your little title is hanging out on the.
You know this is Saxon, dog.
Something's wrong. Oh, I can tell. Is it that Saxon sound came along and broke the spell?
Any boss!
There's a doubt.
I'm not start yet.
That I can share. Emptiness in the dance. I'm finding hard to take if you're having second thoughts. If you think we should let go after all we've been through, I should be the first to know. Sweetest insecurity, oh, it's slowly killing me. I've got to know, San.
Oh, I mean Sanchez.
How you feel? Are you still in love with me?
Saxon the
Not
machine.
the way we used to be, or did it all fade away?
I don't stop playing no tune.
The word I feel is here to stay. Are you still in love with me? Like the way we used to be, or did it all tumble down? And the pain I feel, in my heart, I won't accept.
So I say what?
For my knows to be true, that Saxon will kill you. I can only try to bring love back in line, but something in your eyes says I'm running out of time. So I'll call you on the phone just to hear you say,
Saxon, I love you.
Always. Oh, I'm
so I say one to go as the voice of Saxon International, Outernational, the rubber dub sound. And I play an I style. So I continue with the last counteraction you got Sanchez. Think ya.
Happens to be exclusively yours. Sanchez by the rough neck sound. How lad. Oh yeah. Saxon, yeah.
Hear the rubber dub sound play.
Yes.
Listen me.
Your sound to mine is a drumping sound. Saxon sound is hard to die.
Listen me.
Saxon sound plays like the sky's the blue and the stars that brightly shine. Oh, Lord. Saxon sound plays sweet like violin, and warm like summer day. Saxon sound, I love you.
Say I.
Oh, so many ways. To me, you're like a breath of spring. Saxon, you give life to my soul. To me, Saxon, you're everything. Oh, I ever hope.
I got the Saxon. Turn up the song.
Dubplate from your box, brighten up the dance hall.
Don't respect the idea, my rock from left to right.
Oh, my day. And Saxon, I love you. Yes, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, so many ways.
Alright, my friend Sanchez. You don't know, I say it again. And two, for seeing things are going. Let me tell you straight, visa problem. And the biggest problem right now for any Jamaican sound artist, musician for coming to London, the thing lockdown. I hear me tell you so the thing on the lockdown. I see there's a slowly lockdown pan around you, surround you. Till right now sounds we play music. Now fire no gun, now sell no drugs. But I play music cannot come into the country. So you see the thing gone to something dirt low.
So, me always a preach this, and I never stop preach this. Cause music, me love. Me born in music, grew up in music, and me still there in music. So something I have to preach and continue to preach. Respect and love the dancehall. Respect and love the dancehall. Continually. Saxon International. Mr. Rodigan. Total niceness. Saxon International. To the microphone here, cause them I say I work off for one thing. And the people them come out tonight and I make sure say them come and enjoy their money tonight.
Greetings. UK. You see me? I come as a peacemaker tonight, you know, but them feel like they can't go around me. Me used to run the dance hall, all who don't know. Them a boy for me. You see me? Me run the dance hall. UK ever. You see me? Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool, Nottingham, everywhere, Bristol. And me have the crown for every city. You see the first tune me go job at Jennifer Lara, Foxy Brown, and Sugar Minot. Because yo, my cross like poison. I don't know. You see me? Right?
Original sound that the Coxsone deal, Sir Coxsone sound. LC, ease yourself, brother, like Coxsone. You don't know, say you run things for years, no tears are for your stroke. Festus, Daddy I.
Listen to sound.
Don't first hear my man. A Lincoln Booger mine from them time until them. What we say?
New millennium.
Run it to a sound boy feels, I would say. Only came to play by the song called Sir Coxsone. Any other song played this one, you don't know.
No more sound on the planet of the earth can play this. You see me? A Saxon first, me drop it on a new cross before my voice. You see my voice hit? Yeah, the first piece me I go give you to pan it out. Me a D Brown pan it, so hear this.
We well rough. Say Mr. Coxsone well done.
Listen to me.
Say Daddy Coxsone well rough. Sound boy coming at the dance song with them tin pants around.
Why? Listen to me.
I'ma tell him man that the original sound that the Coxsone deal, Sir Coxsone sound. LC, ease yourself.
A three the hard way, you know, Foxy Brown, Jennifer Lara, and Sugar Minot. All some man listening. Me are the murderer for this, you know. When you hear about the killing of this, I'm killing. You see me?
Only came to play by the song called Sir Coxsone. Any other song play this one, you don't know. We well rough. Say Mr. Coxsone well done. Say Daddy Coxsone well rough. Sound boy coming at the dance song with them tin pants around. Them want Coxsone, but they must get choked out. Wow. Don't you run down, sound boy. You won't get away.
Can't get where?
You'll die. And if you run, you can't hide. Sir Coxsone got the.
Who's that it? I'm going on a Dennis Brown on the rhythm. Because yo, don't wait. I want to feel like around here.
That's it, I'm bored. Stop on the runners all over the grass again, man.
Dennis!
That's not killing someone. Ooh, yeah. Seeing blind, giving day. Gotta know where you're coming from.
I'm the dancehall master.
See my roots, yes. Eat my food, yeah. I don't know where I'm bound. Babe said I'm moving on now. Don't try to stop me now. Moving on. Said we're moving on now.
Dennis!
Yes. Don't try to stop me, no.
No, someone, I better not try to stop me this year right now.
See the train's coming on down the line. Right on time, yes, I'm a doing fine, yes. Festus knows it. Yes, Festus he shows it.
me say, I pay a big artist jump on it, you know. You are going. Pay a big artist, me say, jump on it.
Ram dance, sound.
Here we go.
Saxon International, ram dance sound. My pleasure, tone it off in style and pattern. This is not a special, this is a sample. Easy, Coxsone Outernational, a big sound. Hey no sound.
Listen to you.
Hey no sound. Ain't no sound. I said, ain't no sound to move me. Ain't no sound to groove me. Ain't no sound to rock me like the Coxsone do. No. Ain't no sound to move me. Ain't no sound to rock me. Ain't no sound to shock me like the Coxsone do. No. Said ain't no sound, ain't no sound, ain't no sound, ain't no sound. Like Coxsone Outernational, Coxsone Outernational. He's like a burning fire, fire, fire. Shed up in my bones, shed up in my bones. Oh, I've never found me a sound.
Talk to them, Sizzler. Talk to them. You see me? You are going, you know.
Poor people have the righteousness, I'm give them under control, you know. You must sound like all who Coxsone them know some boy have got bank in all this last year tax.
Yeah!
Child,
what am I do?
Outernational sound.
Yeah!
There's nothing in them system of which they create. Create all around.
Listen, my sister.
Yeah, man, them can't stop them judgment from roll, cause poor people have the righteousness, I'm give them under control.
Yes, sir.
You must sound like all who Coxsone them know some boy have got bank in that. Yeah, man, you like Charlie, Charlie, say, smoke, you shall be smashed, say, yeah, man, Sir Coxsone.
And if you don't want a sister to the donor, say, sister. You see me?
There's nothing in them system of which they create all around. They criticize their own nitrate, yeah, they can't touch us wrong. If they were to, they're not different from those rhymes old Pharisees who come around. Dance a yard before you dance a. Sir Coxsone tell you that son.
I'm gonna play now 1 minute 50 sizzler. Every sizzler I'm gonna play a 4 minute long.
Pass a yan.
You see me?
Go and have some good words. Some true grace. I them your powers Coxsone sound come for leave it up.
Listen.
No, Kalanji just now go give it up. This way and the city I go bring it up. Over Jerusalem them and knowledge we go dig it up. Watch the get to you to tell Babylon to stick it up. Tell them don't live corrupt. Sir Coxsone sound first. And go get some good ways, two ways. Mercy pass I go and have some good ways, some two ways. It's Babylon. Oh, you dirty figure. Oh, you
listen,
that's no dirty nigga.
You are going. Yo.
Yeah, Sir Coxsone not take no time for killing the sound boy, you know. Coxsone kills last year, Bushman. Yeah. That. And you what happen? Some sound boy mad.
That's a Bushman and me and him grow. It's a Bushman right
Coxsone kill the sound.
No killing no off in there.
Sir Coxsone kill the sound, no pay no sound. Hey, them ungrateful jump and sound boys. They just can't be content.
Big up Gary G.
To outjudge.
A Bushman writer. See me?
They just can't satisfy. When the rain falls and still a cause. When the breeze blows and still a cause. When the sun comes out and keep on shining bright. Them still I give job advice. I can't please them, none at all. I can't please you, none at all. But where the hell them a go do when them sound a burn up and can't play, can't play. Where the hell them a go do when them sound a burn up and can't play, can't play. Wait, show them Coxsone, show them sign. Let 2 our days just get their ears inclined. Why? Show them Coxsone, show them sign. I do say them wicked and a bus car behind. Why? I show them Coxsone, show them a sign. Let 2 our days just get their ears inclined. Hey, show them Coxsone, show them sign. I do say them wicked and a bus car behind.
Listen, me tune. Because yo, I come as a peace.
You ask me say, yeah man, you don't know. Yeah man, Lily Coxsone, yeah, that's a champion I got show. You see?
Sizzler.
You ask me say, you like Hello, yeah man, Shiloh, yeah man, Chalice, Chokey. You must shock up here, Caesar Collins, blessing, and the woman, them I forget them, and I know me, I show them in the ranking ship, Rastafari. You man, I just saw a guy, and them can't stop it out the national sound. I just give you a kick all around, and a bun cloud, let it go. I Caesar Collins, I keep it, watch it. You must ask me say, I love for the people, because I can and I love for the people, I go, why, you see it? I don't want to love, say, Joe. Rastafari living, but tell them say love is all you better know that. Only take you live it to so that. Yo, love is all you better know that. And the last one we have to grow that higher height. Love is all you better know that. Only take you live it if you so that. Love is all you better know that. Only take you live it if you so that. Yo, love is all you better. Love is all you better. Love is all you better know that. I wanna be free as a stream, reach from the best and be clean. Life is so real to some.
Listen, man, listen.
I know you say it, cause righteousness and salvation and them can't.
Sizzler.
Salvation and them can't.
Run it.
Yeah, man, I bless them. I know you say it, cause righteousness and salvation and them can't stop them out here. You know what I'm saying? Augustown, you man, Tivoli, Rima, Jungle, Grand Spend, Barbican, so I'm saying Backbush, Therapy. All around us, Selassie are dead for the nation. Them can't stop it, you know. You man, Sir Coxsone, that's the judgment right from Babylon, you say. You man, London, Brixton, all over. Caesar Collins, you bless it, you know. I am, yeah, oh. What me say? I'm from a place where there's only love, where the sun comes up every morning. Hey, yo, listen down. Be among some people, they loved our words. In praises, I unite at the rising. Then again, get away, step away from your sinking sand. Do no wrong, never you disobey. Rastafari bun the sodomite, him bun the gay. Yeah, what up the whole of them? And now who that the bug of them go? Yeah, them go bow and
they say me sizzler them 4 minutes longer.
That them just a know, and what up the bug of them? And me don't see how up the bug of them go. Yeah, them go bow and go to themself low. Coxsone this him tell them, make them know. Tell them say
these one sound I get no 1 minute 50 Dubplate.
and no batty boy now go par. We come from on the lot. Girl where you blood. Them a twist up and a wrap up like them no more star. Use them money if you will them tribal wall. Get your youth head them go that's bomb it all. Pull it up a shot and pull it up a knife sky. Blood, them sound they a blood. Aye, what up the bugger? And now who that the bugger them go par. Them go bow and just do themself low. Saddies come back on them out. Yo, well in all them you turn your way to blind. Them no sister that's a Coxsone sound here time. Sister that's a bad company them go join. Sister that's a what your man friend them go find. No for them still stiff naked me every mind. Run go look over tree them a climb.
Listen to tune.
Holy Manuel I Selassie I Rastafari. Yeah man turn all weapons.
Colonchi, am my artist.
Masters who have authority for the shipping company to go around and pick up our black sons and daughters and return us home to Ethiopia, Africa. You see, some of them know say, oh, if needs be, I and I will fight because I and I confident of the victory of good over evil. You man, rise down and see your black people. Oh yeah, sir. Yo, let's go. Sir Coxsone sound and I bless them. Yeah, this I go straight in England. How comes roll on our bus gun and then our bus it for redeem black people, for repatriate them? Me only for black people from the west and put them down on Africa and the east to see it. And so we are going, you see it, yeah man, jump for the beast. Hey. Judgment, I got to fight for my right. I and I shall win, I'll be victorious. Who I got to fight for my right. And the black people redemption comes so glorious. Yes, I got to fight for my right. I know I shall win and I'll be victorious. Yes, I got to fight for my right. Babylon a fear time fit it and we are here. Rastafari have a big gun for bus pan Babylon. And I and I for start shot batty man. We got a big gun for bus pan. Run of the western hemisphere, black people not a real long. We got a big gun for bus from Babylon. Tell them, give us repatriation. We got a fi boom down, fi go boom down. Hey, Happy we magazine, beer lightning full it. Full of John Pope, let the beer thunder bullet. Chuckles and chain, Rastafari bullet. Take over the place, I mean no matter who it. Black woman your vagina, Rasta man screw it. No boy, go on like them, no know it. From a batty boy, keep a leave them, I go through it. From a batty boy, I go stone, I go through it. Righteousness is I and I come for do it. Yo, a flesh and bone, over that's how it. Yo, a big gun for boss man Babylon. And I get a youth a start shot batty man. Them have a big drum for boom down Babylon. And me go yell them parasol say I. Yes I got to fight for my rights. Coxsone Sound will be victorious. Yes I got to fight for my rights.
Every time since last.
Gag shot a gag, bad tick gag, you know. A Rockland to the champion, Sir Coxsone Outernational, you know. Easy father, like Coxsone, Shiloh, Charlie. This is a country, bless them.
Them on the righteousness of salvation. Yes, I Selassie is the Almighty, I ever live it, ever rainful, ever sure, you know. Them on omnipotent, to see it omnipresent. Let's go Babylon, be upset. I don't speak of judgment, to say, so this is Selassie, I come now. And Selassie, I say, you know, I'm gonna go turn back. The soul foundation is up on the mountain top. Them the classes the people got to rise. What me say? Lift mine eyes to the hills. Where the sun burn red and the wind blow chills. Oh, 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 lift mine eyes to the hills. And they know that Rastafari live, yeah. Lift mine eyes to the hills. Where the sun burn red and the wind blow chills. Yeah, 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 lift mine eyes. Lift mine eyes. Yo, Sir Coxsone sunrise. I never get too weak. I never go stop until I see it. I never get weak, and I never go until I see it. Just love the poor and have not. From Zion to earth, tell them say I am Selassie, you're the first. Tell them say for righteousness, them fi search. Can't take the back of man we want go can. Babylon jar, trample I under dirt. Tell them say that you would give bless to them curse. Tell them say the people hunger and thirst. I, heal them for us, say hi. Yo, yo, I lift mine eyes to the where the sun burn red, wind blow. Whoa, 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 lift mine eyes. And I know that Rastafari, I lift mine eyes.
Michael Rose.
Sun burn red, wind blow chill, hey, hey.
Well, as the saga continue massive, you don't see it, man like Kevin G, no worry yourself, the Warlord Selector Festus. Man like Lady Coxsone, no worry yourself, Michael Rose, not a place. And you don't know massive. This song's too blessed to be stressed. Woo! Ding ding da ding ding da ding ding ding. Coxsone sound too blessed to be stressed. It's too anointed to be disappointed. Coxsone sound too blessed to be stressed.
My bless man. The original killing machine. They on street again, you know. And the 8th of next month, me da Italy, me I go tear it down. And you see the 15th of July at Japan. Me there, man. Them for know what Gwaan. Some like a selector, we in at the place of Gwaan like a them run things. And me run things, man. Me and King Selassie, you see me? Me. The rule of the sound system in England. None of them know quality. See me, I may have it. Michael Rose. Because you can't play one Michael down. You see me?
Well, as the saga continue massive, you don't see it, man like Kevin G, no worry yourself, the Warlord Selector Festus. Man like Lady Coxsone, no worry yourself, Michael Rose, not a place. And you don't know massive. This song's too blessed to be stressed. Woo! Ding ding da ding ding da ding ding ding.
You are going.
Hey, the first for them number that talk the business. Shankai, father lied. Hey, Shiloh, tell them I saw it go. Because we shoes just walk on ground with them business right now.
One from the man Anthony B.
Tell them say we in our clothes, although I non-membrane a real thing. Yo, shoes no mark night, but I ground it a walk on a real thing. Everywhere me go, me you say Saxon Sound and the champion a real thing. Yo, me no matter who I say a cast, cause them come from a real
thing, black woman, wear your clothes. Don't follow this, don't follow those. Please don't give your man a bun under him nose. Be funky, my girl, and funky pose. Coxsone said that you are queen, black woman a rose. Walk by your feet, nobody keep by your toes. But hey, the book them open that when me close. On the list of where Coxsone say goes, he know we close. All the one on name brand a real thing. Yo, shoes no mark Nike, but I gun it a walk pan a real thing. Everywhere me gun me, you so Coxsone sound a the champion a real thing. Yo, me no matter who I say a casca it come from a real thing. But boy, you tap it, dig it up. Since casca come ballad, the youth them trash it up. No for them a flip, no for a flop it up. Slip them a slip, and them a stop it up. This Coxsone that don't play it, I go chop it up. Hey, a Coxsone like chop, we go back it up. After we no start, we go hack it up. I know we close. I don't want no name brand a real thing. Yo, shoes no mark Nike, but I gun it a walk pan a real thing. Yo, Coxsone sound of the number one in a London a real thing. Yo, no matter who I say a casca it come from a real thing. The talk is pants a pants, a shirt a shirt, right? Some blouse a blouse and skirt a skirt, right? Me want, hey, boy, I believe I'm gonna further. Coxsone in our clothes, I don't want no name brand, real thing. Yo, shoes no man.
What was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Father Rodigan, come in.
Without your respect, Festus, your time to shine. I remember when Festus was on Coxsone Sound back in the 70s. And I remember in 1978, rolling into 1979, in Acton Town Hall in West London, I heard Sir Coxsone play the tune you're about to hear. So when I got on a plane and went to Jamaica, one of the first dubs I cut at King Tubby was this. One of my most treasured possessions, January 1979. That's right. Hey, hey!
You better watch yourself. What you say?
Festus!
You better watch yourself. Someone
London!
Rodigan no in on no fuss and fight. That's right.
Somebody say pull up.
That's right. You better watch yourself.
Give me some signal for Lady Coxsone. Easy, Festus.
You better watch yourself.
London.
Some boy. Rodigan no in on no fuss and fight.
Hey.
Dubplate is what is killing you tonight. Rodigan no in on the lay. Sweet reggae music what Rodigan play. Sweet reggae music what we love. Sweet reggae music. Sweet reggae music. Sweet. Come natty dread, come make we nice up the dance. Young girls come make we jump and prance. Sweet reggae music with the Rodigan play.
Sweet reggae music what Saxon play. Sweet reggae music what Festus. Sweet reggae music 1981.
Cause when when come is
hey.
Them cross George and leave no matter because we wanna come to kill something tonight. Hey, whoa, yeah.
Emmanuel.
Rodigan's gonna get himself together. Yeah.
Hey.
Can't afford to let his faith go.
Hey, Festus.
No. Soul boy, wherever the sun comes shining.
Yo.
And my sisters are all smiling.
No.
No one isn't dying.
Father Festus.
My people are crying. Rod is living in the love of the Father. Rodigan's living in the house. Living in the love of
the Father.
Rodigan's living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah.
Hey.
Whoa, well.
Yo.
Whoa.
You ready for the bass line, London? The bass line.
Whoa.
Here it comes.
Rodigan's destruction will never be.
Up.
Oh no.
Face.
Not unto a wise man who will see.
Yo.
Sound boy thinks he knows it all. Sound boy. Here comes later, he stumbles and falls. He goes down for a reason.
Signal.
Roddy's giving him
AJ and the crew
to the foundation.
Hey.
He left to go down.
Hey.
Foundation. Tracked him down to the foundation. He left to go down.
The 1st of July 1999, we all knew where we were. We'll never forget when we heard the news. From the Grill to Port Antonio, from Ocherias to Southside Kingston, the whole of Jamaica cried eye water when Dennis Brown passed away. And you know as well as I do that in 1980, when Dennis rolled back from Shashamane land, he went straight into the studios in London with Aswad. That spiritual pilgrimage that Dennis Brown made to Shashamane land, the land reserved for Rastafarians by His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.
Set a eye. Play by the man called David Rodigan. I said the one called Gangzilla. Set a eye, set a eye.
The promised land.
Set a eye. Play by the man called David Rodigan.
Give me some signal for Africa.
I said the one called Gangzilla. Set a eye, set a eye.
The promised land.
Moving to the promised land. You the man said, Jet.
It's the promised land.
London, give it to one of the other Dennis Brown.
Rodigan, you lockdown California, Sunset Boulevard, Johannesburg.
People, this is a new rhythm from Jamaica. I love this rhythm, Jacko.
David Rodigan, the man in music, cross London and the globe, England, everywhere in the world. This is Icicator Alcock, aka Jacko. Here come the thing called from the man car.
Brand new.
David Rodigan play the music through London speaker code. Coming through the speaker code. Yes, sir. Some boy I feel it. Yeah, yeah. Some boy I feel it. God. From London to Kingston town, I'm not jump and get thrown down. Rodigan now what it was so down. Me say you wear the crown. Let some son boy them a weep. Rodigan now you rule the streets.
Whoa!
Oh, another son of a
brand new Jacko.
Every time you again. Oh, some boy I feel it. Yeah.
Oh. Advice of Tyrus Riley representing for David Rodigan. I see if some man play a Dubplate, the man play a special. Them thing I didn't, hey, yo, the man think that normal. I sing yard vibes out international. Hey. What kind of vibes in that day? Sing it straight from here. Rodigan come fi take charge. Whoa, hey Rodigan not take talk. I just him fire musical shots like. Hey run for cover when you're here. Blood bitter and him cold like snow. Hey watch her, hey tell the world, Mama Rodigan a chart topper.
Hey tell the world, Mama Rodigan a. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about new tunes. If you listen to Kiss on a Sunday night between 11 and midnight, you'll know there's a song we've been featuring for weeks because we believe in the song. We also believe in British reggae and we believe in British artists, many of whom bust on Saxon Sound. But you're about to hear a tune we are championing on Kiss because this tune is a reflection of life in West London. Original Dubplate.
David Rodigan in the hustler story. Rodigan a select way before them start here. Jerry Springer and Maury. David Rodigan have all the glory.
Dynamite!
Rodigan. This is the hustler story. Rodigan in the hustler story. Hey, this is the hustler story. Dollarmite in the hustler story. People. 1980 Rodigan link me up a All Saints Road. Well, on the front line, me saying a lab over. We are hustling and gambling and Gwaan in the hole. Pick up my black ash, the Red Sea land. For 2 ounces of hash, 150 pounds. Me take it and go hustle it, that's 200 me town. Me chop it in a ears quarters and half pounds. Profit when me make me go listen Rodigan. But first me have to tell you how me sell off the ash with 5 pound and 10 pound. Job in a me matchbox. Me take it and me hide it in a me diamond socks. If I know me cheese bottom clocks, it in a me no travel facts. Rodigan link me on the precinct and at the bookie shop. How this so me go hustle and I look out for cops. We have the weed yard in a Haskell house block. So when the thing shot we go listen where Rodigan having a dub box. This is the hustler story. Rodigan in the hustler story. People, this is the hustler story. Dollarmite in the hustler story. Yeah, me no star. Well in the tune where Rodigan dropping at the dance at the best. If I'm no hash we a sell then a high grades. Rodigan used to love the dubs when them tight and compress. I never want the weed from it dry and gumless. Well David Rodigan, well him a big sound chemist. And at the age of 12 he was a dub specialist. Maybe him 180 for ya. Yes, him cripple up some song boy and him kill. Easy Chris Perkins. Them time the weed a flooding by the pounds and the keys. We go open up shop and collect all the peas. Rodigan the man we give with dubs like these. Him go make we learn the hustle, make some peace. The hustler story from inna the 80s. Come me a born hustler from some of our babies. Shout out to the transporters, all my ladies. We help me inna the game for me pay them wages.
It's a hustler story, old time hustler story, recalling some of the golden days of reggae music. A brand new tune from Dollarmite. But ladies and gentlemen, when you come to a dance in the original style and fashion of a sound system, it's not dubplates all night, you know. It never used to be like that, and it never will always be like that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll play one more. I'm so proud to play this tune because he really is one of our greatest singers. And when this rhythm bust, I was in Atlanta, Georgia, and I heard a sound play it, and they locked off that dance in Atlanta. Everyone sung the song. This is one of my most treasured possessions. The same rhythm but a different song from you know who.
I want them idiot sound to talk about special. This is Bitty McLean alongside David Rodigan. And when I say special, I mean special. Only played by David Rodigan. Some boy, this one will break your heart.
London! Give me some scene of a Bitty McLean.
When a sound tried to test Rodigan, he'll hurt them so.
Bitchy!
Yes, he'll hurt them so.
Signal!
Now boy, I tell ya, no matter what you play or how you try, he'll make you cry. Some boy, I tell ya, yes, he'll make you cry. So sound boy, listen to me when I say you to kill Rodigan is hard to do. To kill Rodigan is hard to do. He will not let you go. Rodigan is so strong. Rodigan is too strong. Yes, this one is too strong. Sound, listen to me when I say to you, to kill Rodigan is hard to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hand you over to Saxon. But before I do that, I want to make a special thank you. I entered this business professionally in 1978 on BBC Radio London. I'd collected the music of the island of Jamaica since 1964. But when I entered into the business, it was people like Lloydie Coxton, people like Josh Shaka, and Fatman and Saxon, who welcomed me with open arms into the industry, and for that I will be eternally grateful. There's no hatred in me, only love and respect for all my fellow selectors. So with all due respect and honor, Trevor Sax, Musclehead, full family, come in.
1, 2. Check one. Check one. Yeah. Them say respect your elders in the business. But when some elders come on the mic and talk something when I gossip, them for know themselves. That little man there, him know who I talk to. Don't throw no words in your set tonight. You hear that? Else me and you are going to go 1 for 1. I'm going to lock you off tonight. So don't throw no more words in your
hang on.
And don't talk.
Just a minute. Hey, I'm not having
Listen
this.
to me.
I'm not having this. I've never thrown no words.
No,
so don't
Rodigan.
start.
No, Rodigan, not you.
All right.
Not you, Rodigan.
All right, excuse me.
Not you.
Excuse me. Thank you. All right.
Don't show no more words in your set tonight. It's me and you are going to go 1 for 1. I'm going to lock you off in your set. You hear that? Play through, muscle. Let it go, muscle. Let it go. Throw one more.
Yo, real thing. Muscle, mini muscle. Trevor Sax. Yo. Mikey Bobs.
That is a great Dennis roll.
Hold tight. First to play this. Sax. Watch this. Whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I say, I go murder your sound with that Dubplate special. And your poor little sound won't clash no more. Cause you know this is Saxon sound, and you know it's official. We run the world, the city and the town. So boy, you better pack up and leave now. There's no time to fix up your sound now. Saxon sound, I gon' murder you. Whoa, you never heard a song like this. No other song played dub like this. So you could never deny this is the original legendary sound.
Thank you, Dennis Rowe.
See, you can tell by the way we move. Whole lot of respect is due.
Dennis Rowe, the chairman of the board.
To test King Saxon sound.
Yo, Maxi Priest, tell him.
Yeah.
Tell him.
Yeah.
Total niceness tonight. Oh yeah. Set it again, Saxon. What you mean inside Silver Spoon?
I'm a champion son. Son boy, if you know that. So I say remain very good represent every time. And Musclehead, mini muscle, Mikey Boops. After that. Whoa, Saxon. This is a serious violence and crime.
And the Saxon sound is a
sound boy every time.
Yo, me say, Trevor Sax not talk too much tonight. And music me I play tonight. Big respect, Mr. Rodigan. Easy all the family.
Hey.
Real. I know no bargain and no deal. I know it's a Saxon song for real. And the long talking thing tonight, cause a long time I don't play for my song. A long time I don't play for my song. So I come out here tonight, I come for playing style and in fashion and in combination with Rodigan and Coxsone. So nobody straight the thing and lean the thing. I say set the thing, Barris.
Don't sound like this sound. Saxon. Master! Y'all mini master, y'all original Mikey Spice. I say, yo, listen, y'all want to hear this tune?
Let's dance along tonight.
Don't fuck up the thing and go look at you. Y'all best man, come cross man.
Soundboy, know yourself and understand yourself. Try to keep safe and stay away from Saxon. Cause you know, the order of the day is to have ducks for people to talk about. If you ain't got nothing, then you were nothing. Oh, if you wanna know the truth, when it all boils down, back where you started, here's where you lost it. Some boys say you break, cause your selector's asleep.
Pull up that one more time in the mirror. I'm very summer, Mr. Squeeze that tune that one more time, Oh, you mean, my friend?
There is no sound like
Wait
this.
till the next round I start blazing.
Saxon.
Oh, you mean, Muscle? Set the fire burn someone. Oh, you mean?
Y'all mean the muscle, y'all original Mikey Spice. I say, yo, listen, y'all want to hear this tune now, soundboy, me I beg you tune up. Pack up a thing and lick, I hear it. Y'all burn someone, come cross back.
Soundboy, know yourself and understand yourself. Try to keep safe and stay. Cause you know the order of the day is to have ducks for people to talk about. If you ain't got nothing, then you were nothing. Oh, if you wanna know the truth, when it all boils down, you're back where you started.
Listen to big tune there.
You lost it.
Listen to big tune there.
And you're bread, cause your selector's asleep. Saxon don't always have you locked down and weak. Poverty's always where you gonna be.
Yo, let me play it again. I said no sound in the world, no play this before me. Very someone talk about it. My heart for and so me feel tonight. So all who there silver spoons.
Y'all mean the muscle, y'all original Mikey Spice. I say, yo, listen, y'all want to hear this tune now, soundboy, me I beg you tune up. Pack up a thing and lick, I hear it. Y'all burn someone, come cross back.
Soundboy, know yourself and understand yourself. Try to keep safe and stay away from.
Listen me tune there.
Cause you know the order of the day is to have ducks for people to talk about. You ain't got nothing.
Thomas is
nothing.
Wow.
Oh, if you wanna know the truth, when it all boils down, you're back where you started. Here's where you lost it. Some boys say you're bread, cause your selector's asleep.
Say, oh my God, so
Saxon don't always have you locked down and weak.
Oh my God, so
poverty's always where you gonna be.
Listen me song then.
Saxon keeping it real.
When me embarrass someone, talk the thing. Me say talk the thing, yo.
When you wake up in the morning, don't you wish it was a day you were longing for? All your bills are paid up, your troubles are gone and you worry no more. Unlimited spending, every day's like a holiday.
Catch me straight. Catch me argument. Catch me straight. Yo, me say bury someone when we talk the thing, Bring up a friend called George Nooks. In the business, cause I know a Saxon thing. What you mean, muscle it? Let you go make a run, cause I don't know about things like this to the bridge. Yo! Start time, family time, you don't know, night time. So you call me Sir George Nooks. Step up on Saxon, turn on my mic, please. I'm turning around with this up. God no. Set me thing now.
Yes, sir, we are say a Saxon, you know. Original champion sound, George Nooks said that. We are say muscle head, you don't know it, don't go up. You see it, Mikey Bubs. Yeah, man, we are say, yo, you hear me? Hey. Worry not, you say, Saxon. Whoa, Lord, worry not yourself, Saxon. Fret not you say, yourself, Saxon.
Yo! Jayo, big up yourself, stay there. Make the microphone stay same way, please. Don't turn it up and don't turn it down.
Yes, sir, we are say a Saxon, you know. Original champion sound, George Nooks said that. We are say muscle head, you don't know it, don't go up. You see it, Mikey Bubs. Yeah, man, we are say, yo, you hear me? Hey. Worry not, you say, Saxon. Whoa, Lord,
oh, Lord.
Worry not yourself, Saxon. Fret not, you say. Worry not yourself, Saxon. Fret not, you say. The dub you play, soundbar will never get away.
So,
the dub you play right now, soundbar will have to run away. Once a man and twice a child.
So every little thing
is for a while.
You're gonna be a father running again. No, you mean stay so festus.
Every little thing is for a while.
One night.
The seed you sow, some wine.
One night.
Should surely reap. On the run come child in Jackson. so you're bound to get defeat. 6'6" under the deep, and why you will treat, Lord, yeah, hey, oh yeah. So worry not yourself, Saxon. Fret not yourself. Worry not yourself, champion sound. Fret not yourself.
Saxon come fi cock it. Saxon come fi cock it. Nitty gritty in my sing it. Saxon come fi cock it. Alright now, pack up your shan baby. Boom boom doom doggy.
Johnny. Give me that one there, give me that one there. Boy, I'm the microphone sound tonight. I don't know what
to a sound boy. Come in, nitty gritty.
Self niceness. Go on now, boom boom doom dog. Saxon come fi cock it.
Give me the bass.
Saxon come fi cock it. Nitty gritty in my singing. Saxon come fi cock it. Alright now, pack up your rubbish and garbage. Pack up your rubbish and your garbage. No Saxon him come fi cock it. Pack up your rubbish and your garbage. Pack up your rubbish and garbage. Saxon him really come fi cock it. Watch you the girl them love the dancehall vibes. Don't you know Saxon keep them alive? Don't you know he's rhythm and the blues? Don't you know the rhythm passing through? Rhythm and the blues. It blow your mind for true.
I may say Saxon sound, you know, man. Sure. I don't know we have foundation from long time. That was some little boy I do. Yeah, you mean muscle, you mean man. John Pecos, you mean Mikey Boobs, them for knowing a match with the engineer and a baby boom representing, you know. So yeah, man, I say, man, kick it, you know. You could kill them, man. How them boy they come from Saxon? I don't say we set the laws, dog.
First time for the night, baby boom.
Yo. Alright.
None of them can kill Saxon at all. Them head will bounce like ball.
Pull up that. A Saxon.
I may say Saxon sound, you man. I don't know we have foundation from long time.
Yo, my name Fire Touch.
Yeah, you mean muscle, you mean man. John Pecos, you mean when a match with the engineer and a baby boom representing, you know. So yeah, man, I say, man, kick it, you know. You could kill them, man. How them boy they come from Saxon? I don't say we set the laws, dog. Some boy I deal with.
Hard metal.
Alright.
Boom. None of them can kill Saxon at all. Them head will bounce like ball. Everywhere them go a Saxon, name them a call. But we gun them so tall. But suck your mama call Saxon no response at all.
Wait at them.
Rain start fall. We kill the pussy them straight up in a the dance hall. I left them mama figure ball. Me hear the little sound boy them a ball for the dub. Sound boy got dub your mama, yeah. Beard your girl and drink the water. Call no sound boy Saxon them no fear no. So when we talk no give we no back answer, yeah. Fi kill son of that alone we sponsor. You know Saxon we bad not that.
Yo baby boy.
Update we use right them off like a lance.
Take it to them.
Yeah. None of them can kill Saxon at all. Them head will bounce like ball. Everywhere them go a Saxon name them a call. But we gun them so tall.
Saxon say
suck your mama call Saxon no response at all. When black rain start fall, we kill the pussy them straight up in a the dance hall. I left them mama figure ball. Well, sound boy, where you a try? This Saxon sound.
You're the big you on the ends. You can't go.
You shut up in the sky.
Yo, baby boom.
Bullseye. I'm watching dirty lily man reply.
Yo, big Saxon, we can't play baby boom without play a gappy ranks for the first time.
I'm here to muscle and big up, mini muscle. Mikey Boobs, Trevor Sax, Saxon International. Them for those gappy ranks, Saxon International. The last one with the yaka. Them a fi pack up and run away. And where them did a go with them pop down selector. A
couldn't Saxon, you want test? Dubbing on your face. Why you think me never have no dubbing on the case? Saxon, every with the treble and the bass. Saxon, make you have to run out of the place. Must I let you want test? Dubbing on your face. Why you think me never have no dubbing on the case? Saxon, every with the treble and the bass. Saxon, make you have to run out of the place.
Yo, get it, tell them.
Tell them little jump and over there so we will clash him. Big dubs we use and smash him. It up one for one we use hang him. Saxon sound are the last outstanding. Tin pan sound, me granny old kettle. Come a sound clash with your spice special. Saxon sound them heavy like metal. Big dub play tag a lodge in your vessel. Oh you want test? Dub in your face. Saxon have only for dub in the case. Saxon heavy with the treble and the bass. Saxon make you have to run out of the place. And we you want test? Dub in your face. Why you think we never have no dub in the case? Saxon heavy with the treble and the bass. Saxon make you have to run out of the place.
Wait now.
Saxon lay him to rest. How them for this Mikey boops when them a baby pan a nipple. Trevor Sax left a sound white cripple. Pull try your sound like the old bicycle. Tin pan sound not even value a nickel. Saxon sound we had the crown pan the head. As soon as we string up, everybody dead. No boy out there can violate minimal. So him a kill sound from sound boy a pissing at them bed. We you want test? Dubbing on your face. Why you think we never have no dubbing on the case? Saxon every with the treble and the bass.
Saxon
make you have to run out of the place. And we you want.
Alright my friend Gappy Ranks, you don't know so we can't play a baby boy and not play Gappy Ranks. So you don't know Muscle is selecting neatly right now. Big up all the crew inside the dance. I'm going to take it to the level right now. Muscle, you know what I mean? Everything stays up. So don't worry yourself because the dance just start, you know. The dance not go nowhere. Look after this, we're going to 15 minutes and take it to the bridge. So right about now, and I feature continually Muscle find it neatly. Do remember the 11th inside the month of June, all roads lead to Stonebridge School. Trevor Sachs, Bushman, and Dan Raj. All back to you by my friend Mark Ross, so you mean the boss. So right about now, Muscle, you ready? You find it. If you don't find me, I play the next one, you know. Right about now, and I feature you, come Mr. Barrington, leave it better believe me, first time Saxon sound, you know what I mean?
Hey, Saxon! Hey, Muscle! I hear some little fool up here mad when music is concerned, yes? I know some more of us will jump off a shit, but guess what? It's as long as Jah is around, they cannot come round or come frown. Because guess what now? We always collecting the pound. Muscle, watch nothing. This is the original Saxon. And when I ramp and skin tape and plastic, yeah! Kill them and done! Chat ball.
Pop, 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 pop!
Call it Saxon sound. Yeah.
What up, Dempsey?
On my way up to London town. Figure little Saxon sound just to kill some sound. Hey, Saxon.
One to them. Pull up. Now tell us that sound is the body sound we God ever make.
Yeah.
Trevor Sachs.
Hey, Saxon. Hey, Muscle. I hear some little fool up here.
This is not CD.
Yes. I know some more of us will jump.
This is not CD, but my push and stand.
They cannot come round or come frown. Because guess what now? We always collecting the pound. Muscle, watch nothing. This is the original.
Yo, go boy your drinks.
Ramp and skin tape and plastic.
Me soon join on here right here, so watch it.
Chat ball.
I soon join on right up there, so hold on. I don't already feed yet.
Call it Saxon sound.
And the rubber dub song where them get Saxon sound. In up down, they know we have it.
On my way up to London town. Figure licks and Saxon sound just to kill some sound. Hey Saxon, you're the true general. Saxon, you are the true general.
Where's the living?
Can't take some dippy sound. Can't take the dippy sound them. No, strictly Saxon. Field Marshal sound. Hey.
Oh, yeah, Muscle.
Hey. Saxon sound kill deadly. Ooh, yeah. Saxon sound kill deadly. You see? Some call it Spanish town, but this is Saxon rock attack.
Boss my name.
Some call it Saxon sound, but this is Saxon rock.
Boss my name.
The rude boys them ripping, while the young girls them whining. The prisoners them watching. Some try to escape when them hear
King Saxon
sound playing.
Sure.
And then they hear what a piece of a shanty.
Come in, say Silver Spoon.
Body what a pumpy.
Come in,
Then
say
them
Silver
wine
Spoon.
slowly, what a cool and deadly. Move lively, Saxon kill one you see. So some call it Spanish Town, but a prison overrock. Attack. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Saxon Rock. Hooray! Hooray!
Robert W. Call Mr. Barrington leave it. Believe me, you don't know, so we're born the sense and we're born it plenty. Original thing called. Yes, Muscle, play it again, Panins, because I don't know original Saxon in the building. Reaching out to all original.
Yeah, well, you don't know, so this is the big bad Saxon and a boy come go like some boy come disrespect the program. What you talk about, man, the original foundation. Muscle, some fool one to go down, a step where I step up. Watch this, Saxon. You better watch yourself.
T-Way.
Watch yourself.
Don't be no way.
Some watch yourself.
Sweet.
Street reggae music where the people them want. Saxon sound and where the people them love. Street reggae music where the whole world want.
I'm in sit down. I mean, tell him.
You better watch your speech. Watch your speech. Idiot sound, watch your speech. Well, swing. Not to dread, you mustn't fuss no fight. Saxon sound is gonna kill sound tonight. Street them one. Young girls come make we jump on prawns. You better watch your head. Watch your head. Sound boy, watch your head. Street. Not to dread, nobody come test out with sound. Dibby sound, nobody come test out with sound.
Believe me again.
Street reggae music with the whole world want. And Saxon sound now with the people them love.
Hey.
Anything you do, Saxon do it better than you.
Well, me with Henry Sax. Hey.
Anything you play.
Hey.
Sleep.
So in the meantime, between time is running and passing, you know me like when people are full try themselves. So I feature for the first time for the night, the vice of Mr. Great.
I'm telling you from a distance, this is Saxon and this is eternal. And if you come here with a holy load and your stress and you didn't ask God to guide and protect, then I will take a set.
Gentile, prepare for war.
Yes, Polly, tell
me, dear God, everything is Saxon, mad for it. God and still for the
Yes, Selassie are the first. Oh, well, talk. Oh, God. Oh, well.
All who love God and say, maybe some lighter.
And where my sins he washed.
All who love God and say, maybe some lighter. Pull up muscle, me say. Me set an early fire. Them take it up. Pick up Mr. Rodigan, because you love for the PS, and I love that. You're a music man. Pick up Festus, your original music man. We're not there for no long talking. I just dancing and partying. So right about now, God is sick. I say, wait till look more. I say, me set it. Must let you don't know how me eager.
What?
But anyway,
I'm telling you,
run again.
This is Saxon and this.
I love God is sick. Love reggae music. I promote and love. This is signal. I'm missing.
Didn't ask God to guide and protect, then I will take a set.
Gentile, prepare for war. Israelite, prepare to meet dear God. Everything is Saxon, mad for it. God and still for the
Yes, Selassie are the first. Oh, well.
Come in, sit down.
Oh, God. Oh, well. Oh, gosh. And where my sins he washed. Hey, talk, keep them talking, Saxon. We're gonna keep them talking.
Tell me, say laugh with them laugh.
Yeah.
Gonna tell it. Brum, 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 brum.
And who has to see, let them see. God knows no one in this world can stop me. 'Cause I'm protected by the Almighty. Yeah.
Tell me, say talk, keep them talking.
For the Saxon,
we're gonna keep them
talking. Laugh when they're talking. Da, 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 da. We've got a lot more coming. Let them say what they want to say. Good guy. What they do or say can lead I astray.
This one we play Garnet, we're gonna play one Garnet, it's a Garnet, right?
Our foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, over the gates of Zion with all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah. I'll make mention of Rahab and Babylon to them that know me. Behold, Philistia and Tyre with Ethiopia, this man was born there.
God is sing again!
Said this and that man was born in her, but the highest himself shall establish her. Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie the first.
Saxon sound in it.
Yes, the first. Oh, well. Bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me.
They say pull up again, God is sing again.
Our foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, over the gates of Zion with all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah. I'll make mention of Rahab and Babylon to them that know me. Behold, Philistia and Tyre with Ethiopia, this man was born there. And of Zion it shall be said, this and that man was born in her, but the highest himself shall establish her. Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie the first.
Selassie, I rule and reign.
Yes, the first. Oh, well. Bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can
talk it.
Bless me.
Mighty Jah,
bless me. Bless me. Mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me.
Mighty Jah,
bless me. Yes.
Two to go.
I'm in the midst of strangers.
Tell me again, God is saying, what is that?
Strangers without love and mercy. Strangers without dignity.
Oh, you mean video man catching VT?
Strangers who
Mr. Videotape, Mr. VT, got it.
Yeah, Saxon, you should love Selassie forever. I tell you, better know. Muscle, big up. Jah bless you. Forevermore. And all the crew, just serve Jah in spirit and in truth. Look to the east for the crowning of a black king. His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, over the gates of Zion, more than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God.
You know, say we not come on.
Mention of Rahab and Babylon.
We not come on.
Behold, Philistia and Tyre with Ethiopia, this man was born there. And of Zion it shall be said, this and that man was born in her, but the highest himself shall establish her. Rastafari, Haile Selassie the first. Though the Lord God, Jah the Almighty, shall count on the righteous of the people that this man was born there. Selah, as well as the singers, as the players and instruments shall be there. All my springs are in thee. All my springs are in thee. Yeah. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character.
Put you up.
His kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. One go, brother man, say Rasta. Who goes? It must be Jaja. Thank goodness I don't have to wonder. I know it is forever. Christ in his kingly character. 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 His foundation is in the holy mountain.
Where God is sick as Zion.
Glorious things are spoken of thee,
the city of the Almighty.
He's the living legend of this Iowa. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah.
Yo, Silver Spoon, be on, Silver Spoon. Silver Spoon.
Love Selassie and live. Love Selassie.
And I say, ever faithful, ever sure. There's something to be my final one, you don't know. So right about now, and I keep featuring the veterans, them are veterans. So right about now, I feature together, perfect combination, perfect harmony. The Vice Master gives alongside the Golden Vice of Mr. Baba, and they take away muscle, and believe me, there's a Saxon International.
Baba and they say, my time, saying it for Saxon.
In pan sound is getting weaker.
they can't take the pressure. Soundboy is getting much weaker, cause Saxon got all of the treasure he needs. Nothing to kill a sound. He is the champion sound.
He's in a bus band.
And he deserves the right to kill every other.
Final one in the 80s.
Marcy, what you say? You know this?
Whip them, Saxon gonna whip them.
Saxon time now, Babandi say. I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound boy, I always look forward to that. Look at it now, Saxons, got you in a ring.
Yes, baby.
He's gonna whip you and show you he is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy. We gonna show them Saxon ain't no toy. We gonna throw some Dubplates to your head. We gonna whip you and make sure you're dead. Saxon is king and will rule alone.
You're gonna be Robert.
And forever.
Roberta Stoner
on the throne.
Oi!
Saxon is king and will rule alone.
David Rodigan
and will forever sit.
Festus a great Coxsone. Saxon.
We're going to have happy times together.
With Saxon.
Dancing to Saxon with one another. I'm so glad, my darling, we met. This lovely night we will never forget.
Saxon is king and will rule alone.
Take it on low.
And will forever sit on the throne.
Take it on low. It's just a musical expression, musical harmony, musical bless. And of course, for those who come through the door tonight and expecting Black Scorpio, as you just heard, and through unseen, sitting, Jamaica style, sitting, them could not reach here, visa problem. So I don't know, big respect, Festus, Black in the Gap and thing, Foundation and thing, David Rodigan, and of course King Saxon. Big respect to the island who turn out tonight. Big respect to the ladies, you know, say full endorsement, full enjoyment, not more, nothing less. So, Festus, a 1 minute where I work with one microphone. Them say we're going down to the 15 minutes, so you don't know total niceness. I love in my place. Enough respect, sir.
Gwaan ENT.